Good day everyone! Welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about checking our solution to our linear inequalities. Alright, let's talk about linear inequalities. A linear inequality can be written in the form ax plus by is greater than c, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a and b are not both equal to 0. We can also use inequality symbols like less than, greater than or equal, and or less than or equal symbol. Now, let's talk about solutions to a linear inequality. The solution to a linear inequality is a set of ordered pair of real numbers that satisfy the inequality. Now, let's have some examples in testing if a coordinate or an ordered pair is a solution to a given inequality. Okay, let's have an example. So, for example, we're going to test the coordinate 3, -2 if it will satisfy the inequality x minus y is greater than 3. So, let's substitute the values of x and y to our inequality. 3 minus -2 will be converted to 3 plus 2. Now, 3 plus 2 will be equal to 5. Is 5 greater than 3? Yes, so we can conclude that 3 -2 is a solution to x minus y is greater than 3. Alright, let's have another example. So, for example, we're going to test -4 to the inequality 2x minus 5y is less than -8. So, let's substitute the values of x and y to our inequality. So, 2 times -4 minus 5 times 4, is it less than -8? So, let's simplify. We will have -8 minus 20. Is it less than -8? Let's combine like terms. We will have -28 is less than -8. Is this true? Yes. So, we can conclude that -4 is a solution to the inequality 2x minus 5y is less than -8. Alright, okay, let's have another example. For example, we're going to test 7/4 if it is a solution to this inequality. -4x plus 8y is greater than or equal to 5. So let's substitute the values of x and y to our inequality. We will have -4 times 7 plus 8 times 4. Is it greater than or equal to 5? Let's see. Let's multiply. We will have -28 plus 32 is greater than or equal to 5. Now let's combine like terms. We will have 4 is greater than or equal to 5. So is this true? Not. Since the coordinate 7/4 did not satisfy our inequality, we can now conclude that 7/4 is not a solution to our inequality. -4x plus 8y is greater than or equal to 5. Alright, okay, let's have our last example for today. So for example, we're going to test -6, -2 if this is a solution to this inequality 3x minus 8y is less than or equal to -2. Now let's substitute it to our inequality. So we will have 3 times -6 minus 8 times -2. Is it less than or equal to -2? Now let's multiply. We will have -18 plus 16 less than or equal to -2. Let's combine like terms. We will have -2 less than or equal to -2. Did our coordinate satisfy our inequality? Yes, -2 is still less than or equal to -2. And we can now conclude that -6, -2 is a solution to the inequality 3x minus 8y is less than or equal to -2. Alright. Now that you already know how to check if a coordinate is a solution to a linear inequality, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in our description box below in order for you to test your skills. That's it for today. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace!